Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you, my dear subscribers and all my viewers? I hope you all are well and fine. So don't miss out on the best part. Keep watching till the end and stay tuned till the end for the exclusive reveal. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I have put my heart and soul into this video. So please watch till the end. I wanted to see something special with you at the end of this video. So keep watching. Your support means the world to me. Please watch till the end as thank you. So my beautiful viewers, what is your favorite Cat Middleton outfits or a fashion moment? How do you think Cat balances her royal duties with being a mother and three? What do you admire most about Cat's charity work and philanthropic efforts? Can you relate to Cat's experience as a mother, wife or a woman in the public eye? And how do you think Cat has modernized the British monarchy? What is your favorite Cat and William on Cat and her children photo moments? How do you think Cat handles media scrutiny and public attention? What do you think is Cat's most inspiring quality or trait? Can you think of a time when Cat made a fashion disc or tried something new? Did you like it? How do you think Cat will continue to evolve and grow in her royal roles? If you could have tea with Cat, what would you ask her? And which of Cat's hairstyle do you like best? If you could borrow an item from Cat's closet, what would it be? And do you prefer Cat's classic and elegant style of her more bold and trendy looks? If you could attend one royal event with Cat, which one would you choose? So please tell me in comment box about Cat Middleton. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, get ready to feel royalty in this video. We will showcase the most stunning royal dresses worn by Cat Middleton, Meghan Markle and other the royal ladies, from elegant gowns to chic day dresses. Where you can buy these dresses or find similar dresses at affordable price. Watch as we break down the top royal dresses and provide shopping links to it. Whether you are looking for a special occasion dresses or just want to add a touch of royal glamour to your wardrobe, this video is for you. We hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comment which royal dresses is your favorite and where you like to shop for your royal inspired looks. So my beautiful viewers, if we are talking about luxury brands, Alexander McQueen, no stunning red carpet gowns, Oscar de la Renta, elegant and sophisticated design, timeless and icon fashion. Cat Middleton's wedding dresses by Sarah Burton for Alexander McQueen, Meghan Markle's wedding dresses by Claire White Keller for Givenchy, Princess Diana's iconic gowns by Catherine Walker, Netta Porter, luxury online retailer with a wide range of dresses, Saks Fifth Avenue, upscale department store with a designer dresses collection, Harrods Icon London department store with a luxury dresses collection, ASOS online retailer with a range of affordable royalty inspired dresses, Reformation trendy and affordable dresses with a luxury feel, Self-portrait affordable luxury dresses with a focus on detail, Emilia, known for her elegant and sophisticated design, Roxanda, bold and colorful dresses with a luxury feel, Galvan, modern and sleek dresses with a focus on detail, Farfetch, luxury online retailer with a wide range of dresses, Moda, online retailer with a focus on high-end fashion, 24S, luxury online retailer with a range of designer dresses, Bergdorf Goodman, upscale department store with a designer dresses collection, Neiman Marcus, luxury department store with a wide range of design dresses, Balenciaga New York, iconic department store with a luxury dresses, the real online consignment store with a range of pre-owned luxury dresses. Versatile collection on a retailer with a focus on pre-owned luxury fashion. One ST Dips online retailer with a range of pre-owned luxury dresses. So my beautiful viewers, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please tell me in comment box and what would you be see next. So my beautiful viewers, today we are talking about one of the most stylish royal skirt middle tone. From elegant gowns to chic everyday outfits, cat fashion sense is always on point. Let's dive in and explore some of her most iconic looks. Who can forget Cat's stunning wedding dresses designed by Sarah Burton? For Alexander McQueen, this lace gown is a masterpiece. And let's not forget her iconic red carpet looks, like this gorgeous Ginny Peckham gown. Cat dresses are always a hit and we cannot get enough of them. But cat dresses is not just limited to formal events, her everyday outfits are always chic and retailable. From classic trench coats to stylish sneakers, Cat's wardrobe staples are must-have for any fashion lover. And the best part, you can recreate her looks without breaking the bank. So where you can find dresses like Cat, from high-end designer like Alexander McQueen to affordable options like Zara and H&M, there is something for every budget. And don't forget to check out online retailer Net a Porter and a Source for a wide range of stylish dresses. Thanks for watching, lovers. If you are new here, consider subscribing to Mother Fashion for more fashion and beauty content. I upload new videos every day, from fashion tip, trends to product reviews and haul. And if you have any question for future videos, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks again.